Welcome to my beauty makeup tutorial. So I got this challenge from Lucia and Sarah from Document, and we're gonna make this makeup today. This is gonna be quite something because I'm really bad at makeup, but anyway, we're gonna try it. So let's get this party started. First, cream. Always have to start with some cream. I have my palette and some loose colors. So first, getting this pencil, and we're going in with the whites. I'm fucking it up. Oh, sorry, I'm not allowed to swear. Oh my god, this is going to be a mess. Ooh, wow. It's actually not that bad so far. Oh, it's not looking that bad. It's a star. We're going in with a really thin pencil with, let's give all the colors a different name. Goth black. Whew. Quite interesting. Now we're gonna go with the brows. We're gonna make a really big brow, bushy brow with the goth black again. We're going in with a bigger pencil now. Let's go. Okay, now we're gonna do the bushy part. So there we go. Step 2, the brows. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. It's fine if it's a bit like intense bloody red. Some crystal clear blue. We're going in with this one. We're wetting our new pencil. We have new pencils for every step. And then we're gonna go big and out. I'm really enjoying this. It's so much fun. We're gonna do the outlining and hopefully it looks a bit like sharper then. So we're going in with the goth black and the thin pencil again. I'm really feeling this makeup though. Yes! Oh. Okay. So I think we are done. And then I'm gonna do my hair back and front. Okay, so this is the look. This is the end result. It's not like perfect, but it doesn't have to be. No one is perfect. But this makeup is close to it. Guys, I'm signing out. Thanks for this challenge. Lots of love and stay safe.